Discover Janitor AI, your ultimate productivity partner. In today's fast-paced world, staying productive can feel like a daunting task. Enter Janitor AI, the ultimate AI-powered app designed to automate your daily routines and supercharge your efficiency. Whether you're a busy professional or a tech-savvy student, Janitor AI is your go-to solution for smarter task management. Features that redefine productivity. Janitor AI isn't just another automation tool, it's your personal productivity assistant. With features like task scheduling, real-time reminders, and intelligent workflow optimization, the app seamlessly integrates into your routine. Its cutting-edge AI technology adapts to your unique needs, analyzing patterns to offer tailored solutions. Ask yourself this today: need help managing files or tracking deadlines? Janitor AI has you covered. Free version with powerful capabilities. Get started with the free version, which includes all essential tools to boost your productivity. From automated checklists to basic task prioritization, the free version offers unmatched value. Upgrade to the premium plan for advanced features like cross-platform sync, detailed analytics, and enhanced customization options. Easy to download, simple to use. Downloading and setting up Janitor AI is effortless. Available on multiple platforms, the app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Simply visit the App Store, download Janitor AI, and follow the intuitive setup guide. Within minutes, you'll be ready to revolutionize how you work. By automating repetitive tasks, Janitor AI allows you to focus on what truly matters. Say goodbye to cluttered schedules and hello to smarter time management. Discover how this AI tool can transform your productivity, one task at a time. Take the first step towards a more organized life. Download Janitor AI today and experience the future of task management.